Hey there, this is Jacob with SurvivalGeek. Today I'm going to be demoing the Energizer hard case rugged headlamp. It's 325 lumens. It throws a distance of 100 meters with 3 LEDs. It's got 2 buttons. One is high and low of one light, one is high and low of the other light. One's a floodlight and one's an actual beam that beams out. Extremely bright. What these are meant for, I know it looks really big because it is. It hosts 3 AA batteries. It's like, wow, I didn't know they actually made those anymore, right? So it looks really big. What it's built for is construction workers or people in commercial or industrial industries that have hard hats, and this goes right over a hard hat. That's what it's really built for. But I've used it for quite a long time now, just outside at nighttime. What I like is the fact that the battery life at full high beam is at 6 hours, 6.5 hours roughly, which is great, which means I don't have to worry about just being on low battery to save energy to try to extend my battery life. I can be on full beam and still, have all that light that I'm pushing out. So I'll bring it in closer, show you real quickly. It goes on like so. And I have a button here on the one side, a button here on the other side. Like I said, one click is low, one click is high, one click is off. One click is low, one click is high, one click is off. This one can be on low, and I can change this one to whatever setting I want. They don't have to be on in one setting or the other. One can be low, one can be high, the other one can be low, the other one can be high. They can both be low, they can both be high, they can both be off. One can be off, the other one can be off, whichever. One can be on, the other one can be on. I know that I didn't want to get too confusing there, but overall, it has adjustments here on the side as well. I can pull this to make this shorter. It's got an adjustment here on the top as well. I have a pretty large dome-sized head, and this still fits me pretty well. And I've still got some room to extend, but it does great on hard hats. It is waterproof. I can wear it in the rain, pouring thunderstorm, and still have light to see wherever I need to see. Just carry some extra batteries with you. Battery tip, the Dollar Tree, if you live in the United States. Dollar Tree alkaline batteries, 4-packs. Sunbeam is the brand name. Sunbeam alkaline 4-packs, AA's, AAA's, run $1 a piece. So that's where I get my batteries. All of mine are Sunbeam as well. They're all alkaline, so. Okay, so let's see how this thing functions. Let me turn my side light over here on the side. This is my Defiant, by the way, I reviewed earlier. It's a floodlight from Home Depot, 500 lumens, $13. Okay, that's off. Should be a lot darker now. I'm going to come back here on the side and get closer. This runs around $25 on Amazon. I got 2 LEDs here and one here. This is more of a flood. This is more of a spotlight. It's obviously a battery cable running around to the side here. And even though the battery's at the back, I don't feel it as I'm moving my head around. All the weight is gone from the battery. So I just have this at the front, okay? It is heavier than most lights, but I also like the fact that how well this swivels. Swivels up, swivels down. You can read a map or you can see different things. Let's show functionality of the light itself. We have one on, that's my spot beam low, spot beam off. That's just my flood low, flood off. Now I'm going to stand back away here. That way I can kind of do it. Get it situated. Okay, flood is on. As I'm walking out here, I have a pond right here. Flood is on. Flood is on low. Flood is off. Spotlight is on. And like I said, I can position this thing really low. So I'm looking straight ahead right now, and the light is pointing to here, focused to here. I can pull my eyes down that far if I'm looking below my nose, but then I can also go straight up if I want to.
And I couldn't even see the beam now. He was pointing straight up at the trees. Okay? So it has a lot of direction pieces, and it doesn't click at all. It's moving. It's very smooth. As I'm moving it, I can stop, and it doesn't slide on its own or move around like I've seen on other lights. So that's full on. That's full on for the actual the beam itself. The beam is on low. Still a lot of light. The beam is off. So I'm one that hates mosquitoes, so I typically carry a bug net with me everywhere I go. So each as they come, I get gnats swarming my eyes and everything. So with this guy, I could easily throw in a bug net that has mosquitoes swarming me as I speak. A lot of times I'll put a hat on over this. This goes on right easily across. Especially for fishing. A lot of night fishing. And I can fish all day long. I have flies swarming my headlight, running into everything. Nothing's hitting my eyes. And I'm working just fine without worrying about anything. As far as insect repellent goes, try Avon bath oil. There's nothing better. I know it sounds weird, but give it a try sometime. Add a little bit to your skin. It doesn't cause cancer like any of the other ones do. But Avon bath oil will keep all the flies off. It's got a particular ingredient inside that comes from like a root, particular type of root grown somewhere, but it keeps the flies off of you and is actually good for your skin versus a lot of the other ones that cause cancer. So but that's another video altogether. Thanks for joining me, and I will catch you guys in another video.